Hello students. Students, for class 10th, I am explaining the story, a thief story to you. And into the first video, I have explained you about the basic characters of the story, how the story begins, and how Hari Singh, a thief, has come to the house of Anil. Anil is a simple boy of 25 years old and Hari Singh just 15 years old and he's a thief. Hari Singh has come to the Anil's house with the intention that whenever he will going to get an opportunity, he will rob him. And he is very much sitting ready. He is very much sitting ready to avail the opportunity. Now he has come to the house of Anil. Anil, on the other hand, is a very good man by heart also, which shows the gesture that Anil has given him a place into his house to live in, and though he has come to know that Hari Singh does not know cooking at all, but still he gives him a space into his house, accepted this, and he started teaching him also. He started teaching him through basic things. He started teaching him some words, then sentences. He made him to learn to read and write. Now, with this thought, Hari Singh is regularly being connected but only looking for one opportunity, that the day he will going to get the opportunity to rob him, he will going to do it. Now, Anil gives him some money every day for going to the market and buying some basic things. And whenever he go to the market, as he is a thief, it is into his habit, he always try to steal some money out of the money which is paid to him. Sometimes 2 rupees, sometimes 1 rupee. This is the way he has sorted out to make some money. He makes now tea for Anil, he cook meal for Anil, and who is teaching him all this? Anil is teaching him. So it's been few days, they've spent around a month has been spent together in the same way. One day Anil got a bundle of notes as his income, as his remuneration from a publisher, because he writes for magazines, he writes articles, and by that he has got today some money. And Hari Singh has seen that money when Anil was keeping that money under the mattress. Now Hari Singh, being a thief, has got the opportunity that yes, today I know Anil has the money and this is the right time which I was waiting for. I can easily steal that money. Thinking this, that night he was very sleepless because he was just waiting for the opportunity when he will get the best time to take that money. Right? So, when he found that Anil has gone to a dark sleep, Hari Singh could not resist and he crawled up to his mattress, he kept his hand inside, and somehow, with the best opportunity, he took that money out. The same way, crawling quietly, he came out of the door and out of the house. With the money into his hand, he counted the notes. It was somewhere around 600 rupees with 50 notes. With 50 rupees notes. Now, he went to the platform because he knew at 10:30 a train Lucknow Express would come and he will depart to some other place sitting into that train. He was sitting, he was waiting there. I'll discuss. He was sitting, he was waiting there and was continuously thinking about that, oh, I am rich today. I've got the money. I'll be able to live around a week happily like an Arabian rich, because Today I have the bundle of notes which I have robbed from Anil's house. Then the train arrived. He was sitting on the platform, but he is not willing to go into that train anywhere. He is not willing to get into the train. And the train passed out, but he has not gone. He was sitting alone onto the deserted platform. And he has a thought into his mind that now who will going to cook meal for Anil? Who will teach me how to write sentences? How will I learn how to make good meal? So all these questions which were raising into his mind shows only one thing, that though he has robbed Anil's house, but there was the feeling of guilt inside his heart. He was guilty for robbing Anil. He was guilty for cheating that simple man. He was guilty that why he has done this. And that is why he kept on sitting there for some time. It is a month of November. Chilly winds are blowing. It is cold outside. And then suddenly it started raining also, which added to the discomfort of Hari Singh. Hari Singh was feeling quite unhappy. He was all alone. He had no friends, no relatives, nobody known into that city. It's a time of night. He do not know what to do now, where to go, how to come out of this trouble. And then he first tried to shelter himself. With this thought, he went to a tower clock and he took the shelter under that. And you know what thought came to his mind? That, oh, I have Anil's money into my pocket. Mind it, children. He has not said that I have my money. Now he is robbed. It was his money. But still he is not saying that I had my money. He said, I had Anil's money in my pocket. Which makes us very clear that somehow that sadness was there in his heart. That I have unnecessarily done something wrong. I have done such thing which will really going to affect Anil. And he was thinking about one more thing, that the moment Anil would come to know about this stealing, the moment Anil would realize that I have robbed him, there will be only one feeling on his face, and the feeling would be of sadness. He does not want to remain with that feeling. He waited for some time and then he decided that I should go back. Because today he has realized his mistake. Not only this, he was ready with that strength to accept the mistake also. That is why he decided to go back. The same time he went back to Anil's house. He was completely wet. He went back to his house. He saw that Anil was still sleeping peacefully. He kept that bundle of notes in the same place quietly. Though it was difficult, but he did it. And then he himself went to sleep. Next day he got up late. He saw that Anil has already got up. He has made the tea for himself. And then Anil offered him a 50 rupees note. The same note which was still wet. And he said, no, I don't need. I have already made some money out of which you have paid to me. He said, no. Now you will be regularly paid. That means it shows money was still wet. That means Anil would have understood Hari Singh's action and reaction both. So he decided to pay something him regularly. And on the other hand, today there was a change into the Hari Singh also. That is why he admitted his mistake and he was sitting to come out of his mistake also, to improve himself also. And then Anil said that today I am going to teach you sentences. Hari gave a smile. Anil also smiled back. And the moral says that your good behavior can bring a change into a thief's behavior. I hope, children, that you would have understood the story, which has ended well, that how your good gesture can bring a change in someone. Go through the chapter, read it, and I hope the explanation will make it quite clear. Thank you, children.